You are waiting for a future that has already happened. The greatest illusion of the human experience is the belief that time flows like a river from the past through the present into the future. Drop the biological illusion and look at the physics. In Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, time is not a ticking clock. It is a physical dimension woven together with space, creating the space-time continuum. Modern theoretical physics present the block universe theory. It states that the Big Bang, your birth, this exact moment, and the heat, that of the universe, are all existing simultaneously within a single static, unmoving block of quantum data. Time is not passing. You are simply moving your consciousness through it. The past has not vanished and the future is not waiting to be created. They are happening right now, parallel to this exact millisecond. If the future already exists in the quantum field, then manifestation is not about creating something out of thin air. It is about downloading the coordinates of a reality that is already mathematically rendered, but to do what you have to break the speed limit of time. In 1915, Einstein proved that time is flexible, it bends. This is called the time dilation. The faster you move through space or the closer you get to an object with massive gravity, like a black hole, the slower time moves for you relative to everyone else. If you were to stand near the event horizon of a supermassive black hole for what felt like 1 hour, millions of years would pass back on Earth. Your biological clock would tick once, while entire civilization rise and fall. Time is not a universal law, it is a localized, bendable variable detected by gravity and speed. Einstein shocked the Western world with this, but he was roughly 5,000 years late to the realization. The ancient sages of Sanatan Dharma didn't need a telescope to map the distortion of space-time. They documented interstellar time dilation with a terrifying mathematical precision in the Bhagavad Puran. Deep in the Vedic text lies the story of King KAKUDMI. Seeking cosmic guidance, the king traveled out of the earthly dimension, venturing into Brahma Lok, the highest quantum realm of the creator entity Brahma. When KAKUDMI arrived, Brahma was listening to a musical performance. The king awaited for a brief moment, just a few minutes in his preparation, until the song finished. But when KAKUDMI asked for a guidance to return to his kingdom, Brahma laughed. Brahma explained the brutal truth of a cosmic matrix. O king, the earthly plane operates on a different temporal frequency. In the few minutes you waited here, 108 Mahayuga have passed on earth. Millions of years, your kingdom is gone. Your enemies are gone. The world you knew has turned to dust. Thousands of years before Einstein was born, the Vedas explicitly defined time dilation. They understood that higher dimensions operate on a lower gravitational mass, casing time to wrap. The ancient called the ultimate reality Kalatita, that which is beyond time. But if all of time exists and once, why are you trapped experiencing it second by painful second? Because your biological brain is bottlenecking the data. And the reticular activating system, the RAS, it is a bundle of nerves at your brainstem. In every single second, your nervous system is bombarded with 11 million bits of quantum information. If you processed all of it at once, you would experience the past, present and future simultaneously. Your biological brain would instantly fry. To keep you sane, your RAS acts as a firewall. It deletes 99.9% of the universe and only let in 50 bits of information per second. It forces the block universe into a straight, slow, linear line. Your past trauma, your current bank account, your perceived limitation, they are not reality. They are just highly censored, filtered data your RAS is allowing you to see based on survival programming. If you want to manifest instantly, you don't fight the outside world. You hack the RAS and trigger quantum retro-causality. In quantum mechanics, the delayed choice quantum eraser quantum experiment proved that action taken in the present can literally alter the state of a particle in the past. A future can rewrite the past. This is retro-causality protocol. Step 1. The timeline suspension. Sit in absolute silence. Breath until your heart rhythm dominates your brainwaves. You must mentally accept that tomorrow is a hallucination. There is only now. Step 2. The RAS override future memory insertion. The RAS cannot tell the difference between a real physical event and a violently intense mental simulation. Do not visualize a goal you want to achieve that program the RAS to keep you in a state of waiting. Instead, construct a memory of a future that has already happened. Feel the exhaustion after the victory. Step 3. The quantum collapse. Inject that future memory into your nervous system with maximum emotional violence. You are forcefully installing a new baseline code into RAS because the future already exists in the block universe. Your RAS will immediately starting deleting the poor or falling reality around you and fractionally filter the 11 million bits of quantum data to align your physical 3D environment. With the future memory you just installed, you aren't creating the future, you are pulling it backward into the present. Time is a biological filter. Once you hack the arrays, the delay between your thought and your physical reality collapse. You become an unparalleled architect of the matrix. You have decoded matter. We have conquered space. We have broken time. But what happens when the supreme consciousness gets tired of the simulation? What happens when the 13.8 billion year expansion of the universe suddenly stop and violently reverse? Modern science call it the Big Crunch. The Vedas called it Pralaya, the Great Dissolution. In our next episode, we witness the end of reality itself, the destruction of the matrix, the reset of the Kalpa cycle, and terrifying the truth about Lord Shiva.